I really came in here and I fixed this whole company up. And I've been like dedicated for a fucking year going off waiting for my damn I've just been doing all I can do. I barely see my family. You know what it is to be home and get a text, can you finish that? And I'll finish that shit just because. It's like I don't get paid extra, but you know, I don't have to do with that politics when I come in. You know, they start politicking. She never answered her phone. Yeah, I never answer my phone because I'm home. Shit, once I'm on the clock, y'all can text me. Y'all need me to do something, I'll do it. But once I'm off the clock, bitch, why you texting me? And you know, I still get that shit done because, you know. Yeah, girl, shit, I was just really waiting for my shit to pop off, you know? The boss is paging me, bitch. Let me get back to you. Hi. Yeah, I'll head back. Yeah, okay, alright. Bitch, the bitch just paged. My boss, bitch. Yes, so I'm going back. Bitch, I put it in the universe. I swear this gotta be a raise. We going out for brunch this weekend. Who could go with me? All right, I'll call you back. All right. Oh, come in. Have a seat. Yeah, she's here now. Okay. All right, anyway. You know, you've been a great addition to this team. You've brought so many skills into this team, you know. And you really are just one of a kind. We appreciate everything that you've done, you know, how hard you're such a hard worker. I mean, you know, I try my best, you know, I've been here for a year and, you know. Yeah, so we're expanding and, you know, we're doing big and better, you know, thanks to you and everything you've done, you know, your blood, sweat, and tears to this company. But unfortunately, we're gonna have to let you go. We're gonna have to let you go.
And
I mean, is there a reason why? I mean, you know, we're just having a lot of cuts and stuff. We're expanding, but we're having a lot of budget cuts, so we're gonna have to cut your position out. So you let me go because you guys are expanding? I mean, yeah, we are expanding, and like I said, we're having budget cuts, and we're gonna have to cut you out of the budget.
he needs some milk.
But wait, if you guys are expanding, doesn't that mean that maybe you wanna promote me or give me a raise? Unfortunately, we're gonna have to ask you to leave. Oh, okay, today. No, that's fine. No severance package, no nothing. I do hope you understand.